Working with a small space but still want big style and function? These smart designer kitchenettes prove you don't need a full-size kitchen to cook, store, and live beautifully. From clever layouts to hidden features, every inch is designed to work harder and look better. Check the links in the description to explore them all. Stylish storage meets timeless design. The Salcombe Larder unit in Sage features a soft, durable oak top and chunky legs that give it presence in any room. Its generous interior provides plenty of space for pantry items, dishes, or kitchen essentials. Choose between sleek chrome or antique knobs to match your style. Classic yet versatile, this unit blends traditional charm with contemporary flair while keeping your space organized and beautiful. Charge everything fast and safe. These outlets fit right into a drawer, giving you multiple USB-C, USB-A, and AC ports without cluttering your counters. 65. WW USB-C ports power devices at lightning speed, while built-in smart sensors prevent overheating and overcurrent issues. Short cords keep your drawer tidy, and push-to-connect design makes charging effortless. It's the perfect way to keep phones, tablets, and laptops ready to go in a sleek, organized setup. Turn your kitchen into a full culinary hub. The Galley Workstation is a handcrafted system that lets you prep, cook, serve, and clean all in one organized space. Multi-tiered stainless steel basins, heavy-duty grates, and sound-reducing tech keep everything efficient and quiet. Customizable tools, cutting boards, and serving stations make meal prep easy, while integrated design keeps mess contained. It's a complete setup that makes cooking fun, social, and stress-free. Maximize under-counter space with a fridge that adapts to your needs. This built-in unit fits flush with your cabinets for a seamless, modern look. 2 smart tri-mode drawers let you switch between fridge, freezer, or fresco zones, keeping meat, veggies, and dairy perfectly stored. Rapid cooling mode chills food fast, while the clear OLED display makes temperature adjustments simple. Premium stainless steel and an antibacterial interior make it easy to clean and stylish at the same time. Clear countertops without hiding convenience. This wall appliance garage tucks away everyday gadgets like toasters, coffee makers, and air fryers. When you need them, just open the door and they're ready to use. Close it, and your kitchen instantly looks clean and polished. It's an easy way to keep appliances accessible while maintaining a sleek, clutter-free space. Cooking and ventilation in one sleek package. This induction hob has a built-in extractor that pulls smoke and steam straight down, keeping your kitchen air fresh. 4 cooking zones heat fast, and the power boost option gives extra speed when you need it. Touch controls make adjusting heat and timer settings simple, while the child lock keeps things safe. Plus, the frameless design cleans easily, so your countertop stays spotless. Even the floor can store more than you think. This hidden toe kick drawer tucks neatly under your base cabinets, perfect for small or awkward items. Just tap it with your toe and it pops open. No bending or handles needed. Soft close glides ensure it shuts quietly, while sturdy dovetail construction keeps it lasting for years. With natural birch and a protective finish, it's a clever and stylish way to use every inch of your kitchen. Your countertop and sink become one seamless masterpiece. These integrated stone sinks are crafted from the same material as your countertop, giving a sleek, custom look that's impossible to ignore. Each sink is made to your exact size and design preferences, whether undermounted, farm style, or freestanding. Water drains perfectly thanks to precise shaping, and finishes can be polished or matte. It's a stunning, durable solution that turns everyday kitchen or bathroom tasks into a luxurious experience. Dull walls don't stand a chance. These peel-and-stick mirror subway tiles instantly add shine and depth to your space. Just remove the backing and press them into place. No messy grout or complicated tools. The beveled edges reflect light beautifully, making your kitchen or bathroom look bigger and brighter. Use them as a backsplash, accent wall, or even for DIY projects that need a touch of glam. Open your drawer and feel the difference instantly. This slim glass inner drawer adds a sleek, modern layer inside your cabinet. The low glass sides keep everything visible while preventing spills and clutter. Smooth damping technology means it glides open and closes softly, without noise or slamming. With a strong steel build and easy height and side adjustments, you get quiet performance that lasts for years. Fresh food deserves 5-star treatment. This classic French door refrigerator keeps everything perfectly organized and beautifully lit. An intelligent cooling system adjusts temperature and humidity to help your groceries stay fresher, longer. Inside, bright LED lighting reduces shadows so you see every shelf clearly. You even get filtered water from a hidden internal dispenser, plus a freezer with flexible storage and boosted ice production when you need it most. Lost items at the back of your pantry are a thing of the past. This pull-out larder unit slides the entire contents out to you in one smooth motion. Tiered shelves keep jars, cans, and bottles neatly visible, so nothing gets forgotten or wasted. The tall, slim design packs a surprising amount of storage into a narrow cabinet. Just pull once and everything is right at your fingertips. Your countertop secretly doubles as a stove. This invisible induction cooktop hides completely beneath the surface, heating pans right through the material. Place compatible cookware on top, and it starts cooking, while the counter itself stays cool to the touch. When you're done, the space goes back to looking like a normal work area. It's perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or anyone who wants a clean, futuristic look without visible burners. Your kitchen stays sleek until it's time to cook. This hidden downdraft vent rises up from the counter the moment you need it. It pulls smoke, steam, and odors straight down and away instead of hovering overhead. When you're done, it lowers back out of sight to keep clean lines and open views. Built-in filters help trap grease and smells, so the air feels fresh again, fast. Clutter disappears in seconds. This smart pocket door cabinet keeps your kitchen looking calm and organized. The doors slide smoothly into hidden side pockets, so nothing swings out or gets in your way. You can leave it open while cooking, then close it to hide appliances and create a clean, seamless wall. Add drawers inside, and you get even more smart storage without sacrificing style. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.